What's up, traders? Welcome back to the recap. Real quick, yesterday I made 2 trades. I had a lot of issues with my NinjaTrader, so I had to restart, or not restart, reinstall my Ninja, uninstall and reinstall, and I lost all my settings on my indicators. So some of the lines are different colors now. So yeah, it was really frustrating morning yesterday. So 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss yesterday. Down about 200 bucks, but it is what it is. Today I only made 1 trade, $350, so 342 after ticks and after fees and commissions. I feel like the price actions, it's kind of choppy-ish. We do have an uptrend working up, but it's very slow uptrend. Clear to see making higher lows, but very slow, and it's to be expected just because of the holidays and stuff like that. So yeah, let's talk about this trade real quick and then call it a day. So when I came in early. I actually came in around 6:30, and just as I came in, there's a second entry short here, which I probably would have taken. I had this range here. I'm not sure if this range was valid. I mean, it looks to be valid. You know, you have touches here, and the midline's working. And I had my overnight highs, overnight highs just like that after this swing high. And I just adjusted it as the day progressed. But I have this bigger trend channel here. Again, I'm not sure if that was the case because I wasn't really thinking range day just yet, just because I wanted to see price come back and confirm. So I had this bigger trend channel in here, and we did get a break, and I was expecting a retest of the highs. Seems to me like the bigger trend channel is valid, and I did came in a couple ticks lower, and I honestly should have came in even more, probably like maybe a point lower, because this bar was just so huge. I was like, man, like I can't believe I took that trade. I will never trade this bar ever again, big like that. I mean, that was just, there's no way. But it worked out. Break new low played out, and I expect 3 tests of the highs, or at least overnight highs. So, but then as I watched the trade, I saw that there was rejection at this midline here. I'm not sure if you can clearly see that. There's a midline there, and once I saw this candle form, I moved my take profit basically 1 tick below the previous bar, and I got filled and I got out. So got out just in time because the price did reverse. But yeah, big risk. I'll never trade candle this size ever again. That was too much. But I can't be mad. I managed to trade, and I got 350 bucks out of that. So can't be mad about it. And as you know, $300 is a daily goal for me, so I pretty much call it a day, to be honest with you. And from what I saw, there's not really that many clear entries, at least in my eyes, because you know, it's the holidays coming up, and it's kind of lower volume than usual. But I did see this triple test afterwards. You know, the reason that I don't want to trade this is, well, I already made my money, but it's just too close to the opening bell, to the market open. So I don't like taking trades close to the market open, because you don't know what's gonna happen, and you can see the price just chopped along. But if I were to take this trade, I probably would have had my take profit at the EMA. And usually that's where I start to look for more often than not. I usually start to look for, you know, resistance between lows or highs, or the EMA, or whatever, or resistance, so support resistance. So this wouldn't work for 1-to-1, but honestly, I'll probably have it at the EMA as my take profit. But anyways, I don't really see any trades here, and the price never came back down to test the overnight lows. So that told me that there's probably something else going on. You can clearly see there's some support here as well, so price just bounced off. I was waiting maybe for a higher low here or something like that, but never got one. And price takes off. I don't know if this trend channel is valid. I kind of had a hard time finding trading channel here, so I just had it like this. I like it the way it is. I get 3 touches. You only get 1 touch up top though, but I like the way it fits in the bottom. And I did have the measure moved here as well, which we never really got, but we almost did, but not quite. There's a secondary short here, and I actually, after I saw this swing high, I adjusted my overnight lows to this level, so you can clearly see it fits really nicely. And yeah, second entry short, new low, first entry short, second entry short, and now from to the EMA. You know, off of the overnight lows, small risk, 7 ticks, easy money. I should have taken this for sure, but hey, is what it is. Once I get my daily goal, I kind of just don't really want to take trades. I just sit back and I just watch the chart. But yeah, second entry short, low risk. I like it. There's a little bit of a range here, and I don't really see anything else here that I would trade. Maybe this failure here, new high, first entry long, second entry long. So maybe, but for me, it's just too far from the EMA. It is at the key entry point that this trend channel is confirmed. So, but I don't like how the bar is also, it's almost a doji looking like bar, very neutral bar. So I didn't like that. So, but you are at the overnight lows as well. I mean highs as well. So that's going for you. There's multiple confirmations. So if you want to feel frosty, take it. And it worked out pretty well actually. But yeah, there's nothing else I really wanted to trade. Oh well, this I'm gonna trade along here, but again, small risk, 6 ticks. The only problem with that is that downtrend channels or a short-term trend channel working against you, but you are a little close to the overnight highs as well. So, because you can clearly see there's a lot of rejection there. So, but the price keeps working up, so you know, I guess stay with the trend really. Break new low in place. There's a higher low here. I would like to be a little bit more bullish, but it would have worked. Enough room to the overnight highs as well. Both of these trades would work for 1-to-1 as well. You would have to sweat it out for a little bit. I mean, it took a while to get there, but it did. So yeah, there's another higher low here, again confirming the trend line. Off of the overnight highs, and again would have worked for 1-to-1 as well. Boom, easy money. I actually would have probably had, oh yeah, well, like I was gonna say, I was actually gonna have my target profit right here at this swing high, probably like a tick lower than swing high, so probably like somewhere here. So yeah, I'm done for the day. My eval is around $1,100 and some change, so with the loss yesterday kind of set me back, but slowly but surely we're making progress. Again, this is not a sprint, this is a marathon, so I'm taking it slow. Like I said, I want to pass the eval before the end of a new year, but if I don't, it's okay. It's not a big deal, not at the end of the world, but that's just the goal for now. And who knows, maybe all I need is one trade and I can pass it. But yeah, usually what I noticed that when I get closer to passing the eval, maybe I'd be like $100, $200 off. I get a loser and I go on tilt and I lose the eval, so I don't want to do that again. Lesson learned. So I'm just gonna take my time and do it right. So, but yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully you were good. Hopefully you're in the green. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.